Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Mechanisms of fracture. A fracture can occur due to the torsion force. Whenever there is tension force. Whenever there is tension force or pull of the bone in this direction, this results in transverse fracture. Whenever there is compression through axial compression like this, if there is compression of the bone, it results in oblique fracture. Whenever there is bending of the bone in one direction, so there is bending in this direction and this fragment bends like this, so this will result in butterfly type of fracture. Whenever there is 4 point bending, so bending in this direction, here when the bending is seen at 4 points, then it is called as segmental fraction. Whenever there is torsion or twisting is occurring like this results in spiral fracture.
thank you and thank you for watching.